Hey there, trumpets. Welcome to today's episode of Corona Band at Salem Junior High School. Today, we're going to be going over Star Wars, The Force Awakens. I wanted to cover a couple of rhythmic concepts and some articulation concepts that are found throughout this song. First thing is triplets. We may or may not have gone over these a lot, so I just wanted to provide a review for that. A triplet is called triplet because you have 3 counts within one, okay? So if this is my beat, we're going to do 3 counts within that. It'll sound like this. 1 olet, 2 olet, 3 olet, 4 olet, 1 olet, 2 olet, 3 olet, 4 olet. Notice how I'm giving 3 counts within one. Also notice how I'm saying 1, 2, 3, 4, keeping track of where each count is. That's really important because the triplets get placed kind of all over the place throughout this piece. You have them on count 1, or you have them on count 2, or count 4, so you need to be aware of where those are at. For example, measure 2, the triplets are on count 2 and count 4. You have 1, 2 olet, 3, 4 olet, 1, 2 olet, 3, 4 olet, 1, okay? So make sure you find those. Then it changes in measure 5, your triplets are on count 1. 1 olet, 2, 4, 1 olet, 2, 4, okay? So be aware of that. Make sure that you're putting those triplets in the right spot. The next thing is in measure 18. We need to pay particular attention to this slur 2 pattern. Tia, 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 ta. Let me play that for you. So this is measure 18. So you get a couple accidentals in there, so pay attention to those, but also pay attention to articulating every strong beat. So 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, and your tongue should be hitting with that beat. Tia, 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 tia. Okay, nice strong ta at the front of those. Lastly is articulation throughout March of the Resistance. So measure 21 to the end. You have lots of staccatos, lots of accents. We're going to be really clear about all of those. Let's hear what this sounds like right at 21. Notice how clear and pointed that is. Ta-ta-ta, ta-ta-ta-ta-ta, ta-ta-ta. Say that with me. Ta-ta-ta, ta-ta-ta-ta-ta, ta-ta-ta. Notice it's not if I don't clearly tongue, this is what it comes out as. So you can't really hear that very clearly. The difference is tip of the tongue. Tut, 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 tut. Okay, so make sure you're careful and alert about that. The key changes at 21. You make sure you get B flats in there, okay? And it's about kind of the biggest thing. In measure 48, you have an accidental that carries through. There's a C sharp, so make sure you play C sharp at the beginning of the measure and the end. So like count 3, there's a C sharp. Maybe you want to pencil in the C sharp on the end of 4 at the end of that measure. That's measure 48. Let's go ahead and play along with the recording now. This is the trumpet 1 part. I'll put up another video for trumpet 2. Okay, so if you're on trumpet 2 and you've watched this video, go on over to trumpet 2 instead, because I'll have the pitches for you on that for trumpet 2. So just remember, stage makeup approach to the articulation. Shorts are ultra short, accents are nice and strong, separation between. Thanks for watching. Happy playing at home.